Mean is just the average of a group of numbers. In this group of numbers, the average is the mean. Median is the number that comes in the middle. But it does not mean middle like this, the way it is organized. It means the number that is in the middle of it all when we set it in a chronological order. If we have an even number here, the median will be the average of the two in the middle. And lastly, mode is the number that shows up the most in the data. In this data set, we have no repetition, so there will be no mode. Easy. One is average, the other is the number in the middle in chronological order, and the last one is the number we see the most. Now let's find out how we can use Microsoft Excel to find mean, median, and mode of any data. Alright, let's find out the average, as in mean of these 6 numbers. You just have to type equals average, then you have to select these 6, and then you have the number. Number is 12.166. And the median is similar. You type equals median and select the numbers. And the median you get is the average between 11 and 14. That is 12.5. There are 6 digits, so you get the average of the third and the fourth digits. And the mode is, you just write equals mode and select this. And the mode here is not applicable because none of the numbers appear twice in here. And now if we put another number at the end and change to see the median of these 7 digits, you will see that the median will end up being 11. And if you want to see the changes in mode, let's just add a repeating number and change the range. And after that we will get the mode to be 14. Why would we need Excel for this? Because sometimes you will have data like this. And when you have a lot of numbers like this one in your hand, sometimes you have to go to Excel to get the mean, median, and mode. Here we can do the same thing, type in equals average, then select the space and close the parenthesis. This is the average. Median is the same. The median turned out to be 45. And after that, same thing with mode. The mode here is 48. It is pretty easy to catch all the 48s present here. You can see here, here, and here. And if you change 148 into another number, see that it changes into 14. There are some 14s we can see here. Changing any of these numbers is changing the mean, median, and mode of the data. But that is not changing the mean, median, and mode at the left side that we had before, because the data set of that mean, median, and mode did not change at all. That would be it for mean, median, and mode. I hope you understand. You can like, share, and subscribe. I also have a Patreon account. You can support me over there if you want to. And it is time for a small bonus. Nobel Peace Prize was not awarded to anyone in 1915, and the prize in literature category in 1915 went to this person. This is the official end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have learned something new today. And lastly, do not forget to take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.